How to log out of Google account on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the app, find Mails. After you find it, open it. Now click on the option Mail Accounts. Different options will appear. Click on the option Gmail. With that, you're gonna find these options: Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Disable for the option of Mail. It will be removed, or else what you can do is click on the option of Delete Account. With this, all of your Gmail contacts will be removed from your iPhone. Click on Delete from my iPhone. The Gmail account will be logged out. So this way you can easily log out of Google account on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.